What's up guys, it's Brandon or Tesla Flex, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a broken Model 3 taillight. Now you're probably wondering, why do I even have a broken taillight? And it's because I found this on eBay for about $90 and I decided I wanted to break it on TikTok to mess with some people. And obviously I would not break the taillight that came with the Model 3 because this one has the amber turn signal and the old version has the red turn signal, and I didn't really feel like having to pay for a brand new taillight instead of just getting an old taillight. But when I was replacing it, I actually realized the process is simpler than most people think. The Model 3 taillight is really easy to take out because this just screws off, and then there's two nuts and bolts right in here and these like friction things that just go inside the car. So the first step to getting the taillights out is to get this plastic cover that's on the trunk off, and it's actually just held on by one clip on each side. Then we just have to pop this clip out on the other side. Then you just get these two clips out and move them aside so you don't lose them. Now this pops out really easily. You just gotta pull down a little bit and undo these clips and it just comes right out. So now we're left with just carpet and the lights, and you can kind of just pull the carpet down and access the taillight right there. This side is the exact same thing, and you can also see the subwoofer right here. So to take the taillight off, the first thing you have to do is unscrew this. Now that's off. And now you can just unscrew these, and usually they're pretty loose on there. You don't have to worry about them being super tight. And then we get the other one on this side, and make sure not to lose these because if these fall down, it's like an abyss in here. Like stuff gets lost easily. Next, we're just gonna unplug the taillight. So we just have to pop this red clip out, and then we can just unplug the actual taillight itself. Now getting the taillight out is actually pretty easy. You can do it with one hand or two hands, but all you really have to do is just kind of get it pulled away from the car and it will come loose. The charge port might open up, but as you can see, it comes off really easily. Now replacing the taillight is just as easy. You just put the new one in and pop it into place. Now that the taillight is back in its place, all you have to do to put it back on is just put these nuts back on the bolt and make sure it's just hand tight. You don't need to do it super tight or else it might mess up the alignment of the taillight. Then you just grab the plug and plug it back in and make sure to push the red thing down again. And now just kind of push the carpet back into the seal. It's a lot easier with two hands. Now once we have all the carpet back behind the seals, we have to put this piece back on. You want to start on one side by pushing the main clip in, and then you just push the rest of them in, ending on the other side. Now, as you're putting this back on, you also want to lift the seal over it so the clips will stay in. So now the plastic cover is fully back on. You also just want to make sure all the clips are back in by pressing or hitting on the bottom part. And now you just get these clips and put them back in place. And it usually helps to kind of have it halfway through and then just pop it in. And then do this side as well. And last but not least, you just want to screw this back on or else it might hit this when the trunk closes. All right, and now this is on. And that's how you replace the taillight in the Tesla Model 3. And in the Model Y, it is a little bit more complicated. That's going to be all for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm still figuring everything out with long form videos, but if there's anything specific you want to see with the Model 3 or Model X, let me know in the comments below. But anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.